Hey guys, wanted to share something with you about streamlining your business, make it simple so you can actually get more freedom and so you can do a whole bunch more stuff that you like to do rather than being stuck in the business all day long, chained to the desk, right? So I had a client today and we were talking about her business and she wanted to do more stuff, like to be not doing stuff that sucked for her, right? And so we talked about was delegation. You know, I'm sure you're familiar with hiring other people to do things, assistants and things like that. And the problem with entrepreneurs, me included, is that we have a lot of the processes that we do every day in our heads, right? And that's one of the reasons why we think that we are the only ones who can do it. And maybe we're right. Maybe that we're the only ones who can do it the way that we would do it. But in order to get more freedom in your life, and in order to do more stuff, you need to let other people do the work, okay? So I'm not even going to get into the topic of you should be doing only the things that you're really great at, okay? So, but let's start passing off some of the tasks that you do, and how you do that is very simple, okay? You just go through the process. For me, let's call it a bookkeeping process. And actually, here's an example. I have like a training that I do every 2 weeks with my clients, right? It's clients and students, right, who go through my training, and every 2 weeks I have to update links and I have to, you know, update the campaign inside Infusionsoft and all that kind of stuff. It takes me about 10 minutes, maybe 10 minutes to do that, okay? But still, it's 10 minutes, right? I have to drop everything and you know, just do a whole bunch of stuff. And so that process, I could give it to somebody else. Now, what I did was, when I was updating that process, like whatever I did a couple of months ago, I actually recorded it. I have a screen software you can get. I'm using ScreenFlow, and you're on a PC, you can get actually, yeah, you can get Camtasia, or you can just use something like Loom or something like that, a free recording of your screen, and then you record yourself doing the process, and it takes like next to nothing. And then you record that process, and then you put it into folders like on Google Drive. So your whole team has that access to those folders where they can go in and you know, if you name it the right way, they can find out how to do that process. And here's the cool thing, because it's on video and there might be a better way of doing things later on, what you do is you just re-record it, or the person who's doing it finds a new way of doing it, which if they are experts and A players and you're hiring the right people to do things, they will probably find a better way to do it, and then they'll re-record a brand new video. So you've got this ongoing library of this video process of your entire business. And video is so easy to watch, right? You can pause it, you can watch exactly what the person's doing, so it's kind of like they're right there and watching over their shoulder. And that is how you simplify your business, and it's how you streamline your business, and it's how you put those processes in place. I still have a MOM manual, an MOM, which is Master Operations Manual, and I have a lot of checklists and stuff in there that I put. But the other stuff there that I'm just telling you about, like processes where you're updating links and you're jumping around to web pages or something like that, I'll just record that and put it into my Google Drive. So I have my MOM manual, which is also digitized, right? The checklists are inside the Google Drive. I print it off as well. And then I also have the video procedures or whatever recorded for people, or for my teams, or for anybody who's going to do something for me, so they can just go in and do that. And that is the way you streamline your business and give you more freedom, give you more stuff to do, okay? Did this help you out? Hopefully it did. Please share with somebody that you know can benefit from this awesome tip. And hopefully you can streamline your business, get more freedom, and just enjoy your life. Entrepreneurship is awesome, but you need to have a life as well. I'll talk to you soon. Joey out.